Did you know that in Greek mythology, a man once walked into the land of the dead and actually convinced Hades to give someone back? Orpheus was the greatest musician who ever lived. Not the greatest mortal musician, the greatest musician, period. When he played his lyre, rivers stopped moving. Trees uprooted themselves just to get closer. Wild animals sat down and listened like pets. Then his wife Eurydice died on their wedding day. Snakebite. Just like that, she was gone. So Orpheus did what any completely unhinged person in love would do. He walked straight into the underworld, alive, and he played. Hades, the god who had never once shown mercy to anyone, started crying. His wife Persephone was sobbing. Even the souls of the dead went silent. Hades said yes. Take her. Just one rule. Walk out without looking back. One rule. They were seconds from the surface when Orpheus turned around. Nobody knows exactly why. And just like that, Eurydice was gone forever. He had everything. And he looked back anyway.